In restaurants, grocery stores, and hotels, freshness isn't just expected, it's non-negotiable. But what ensures that level of quality? Behind every crisp vegetable and perfectly chilled filet is a complex, unseen safeguard, the cold chain. In hospitality, high volume adds complexity. Enerlon's smart refrigeration systems and 24/7 alert capabilities ensure every ingredient stays compliant, keeping service smooth and safe. In restaurants, cold chain integrity extends through every shift. Proper receiving, cold holding, and point-of-prep storage must all align. In grocery stores, the cold chain begins the moment product arrives. Walk-in freezers, cold docks, and display cases must maintain consistent temperatures, no exceptions. Enerlon supports retailers with proactive system maintenance, sensor-based monitoring, and alerts that notify teams the moment a unit goes out of range. Still relying on handwritten cold chain readings? How much valuable time, effort, and accuracy are you sacrificing by manually recording temperatures, timestamps, and critical data on paper logs? One accidental spill, smudge, or tear, and all that information can be lost in an instant. At the core of Enerlon's cold chain protection is powerful monitoring technology. Our IoT-enabled wireless sensors track temperature, humidity, and equipment performance in real time without relying on Wi-Fi or an IT infrastructure. If something goes wrong 24/7, mobile alerts are sent instantly to your team's phones so immediate action can be taken. Custom dashboards give you a total visibility across sites, shifts, and equipment. Freshness isn't a luxury, it's a responsibility. With Enerlon, food service professionals have a partner that protects every link of the cold chain. From engineered maintenance plans to 24/7 IoT monitoring and mobile alerts, Enerlon delivers the tools and expertise to preserve every bite. With Enerlon, food service professionals are provided the tools to manage every link of their cold chain. From engineered maintenance plans to 24/7 IoT monitoring, mobile alerts, and trend logging, partnering with Enerlon will help protect every link in your cold chain and preserve every bite. Call today for your free assessment at 888-363-7566.